Stop struggling in the kitchen. These 25 Amazon gadgets will transform how you cook forever. From countertop miracles to time-saving wonders, they're game changers hiding in plain sight. Let's discover the kitchen innovations you never knew you needed. Flip down TV. This flap-down kitchen TV is a smart space saver that mounts right under your cabinet for a clean, modern look. The screen easily rotates to give you the perfect viewing angle while you cook. Enjoy a stunning 1080p full HD picture with vibrant colors and sharp detail. It's built tough with tempered glass to prevent scratches. Plus, dual speakers deliver rich, clear sound. Perfect for kitchens, RVs, or any small space where you want easy entertainment on the go. Glass rinser. This countertop glass rinser cleans your glassware within seconds by blasting powerful jets of water to remove stains and residue effortlessly. Made from smooth stainless steel with a resilient nickel glaze finish, it resists water spots and fingerprints while adding a sleek touch to your sink. Easy to install with all necessary parts included. Press your glass down and let the high pressure spray do the work for spotless, sparkling results every time. Herb growing system. This patented smart hydroponic system lets you control LED lighting schedules and watering reminders via the Let Pot app, making indoor gardening effortless. Its 24-watt full-spectrum LED promotes plant growth up to 40% faster than traditional methods. With 2 adjustable lighting modes for vegetative growth and blooming, you can customize your plants. The kit includes 12 planting cups, nutrients, an adjustable LED rod, and a large water tank for up to 3 weeks of watering. Mopping robot. This 3-spin robot mop is perfect for ultra-quiet, powerful cleaning of your hard floors. Thanks to its whisper-quiet 43 decibel operation, you'll enjoy peaceful cleaning, so it won't disturb your daily activities or pets. Its wheel-less design and 3 rotating mop discs apply direct pressure for deep cleaning, while the smart water tank keeps mops damp automatically. With easy remote controls, 7 cleaning modes, and an award-winning design, you get a stylish, effective, and effortless cleaning solution. UV Light Sanitizer. This UV box sanitizer with a large capacity lets you conveniently sanitize phones, keys, wallets, baby bottles, toys, and more in just minutes using 360-degree UVC coverage. You get hassle-free waterless operation, no cleaning or descaling required, making it ideal for busy households. With simple touch controls, you can start the process easily, while the advanced safety lock and BPA, phthalate, and lead-free materials keep your family safe. Frozen Fruit Maker. This is a frozen treat maker that quickly turns frozen fruit into delicious vegan soft serve or smooth sorbet-like treats without added fats, sugars, or preservatives. With a premium design, its metal parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Includes a recipe book with 75 recipes to help you create healthy desserts like pies, parfaits, and sorbets. Perfect for making single servings or enough to satisfy your whole family. Portable Mini Kettle. This portable electric kettle features 4 smart temperature presets easily selected via an LCD screen, allowing you to brew coffee, tea, or milk to your preference. Its lightweight, compact design makes it perfect for travel, office, or hotel use. Enhanced safety includes boil-dry protection, automatic shutoff, improved vent holes, a leak-proof seal, and a non-slip base. Made from food-grade stainless steel with a polished finish, it quickly boils water and is easy to clean by hand. Food warming mat. This food warming mat uses graphene heating technology to heat evenly in just 8 seconds, giving you 6 temperature and timer settings with auto shutoff for safety. You can use it with various cookware like ceramic, glass, and stainless steel, making it versatile. Its durable, splash, and stain-resistant silicone surface is easy to clean. The roll-up design, non-slip feet, long extension cord, and storage accessories make it portable and convenient. Portable vacuum. This Briggy handheld vacuum is perfect if you want a powerful, lightweight, and cordless cleaning solution. It features a digital brushless motor that delivers strong suction to remove pet hair, dust, and debris from carpets, hard floors, sofas, and car mats. With an anti-tangle hair tool and a triple filtration system including a HEPA filter, it ensures thorough cleaning and cleaner air. Recharge quickly with the Type-C cable and enjoy up to 20 minutes of cordless use. Nutrition Scale. This kitchen scale is perfect for you if you want precise weighing with nutrition analysis and easy customization. It features a precision balance sensor with 0.1 gram accuracy, a backlit LCD, and functions like tare and auto shutoff. You can save and customize food codes for over 2,000 foods and track macros such as carbs, proteins, and fats. The food-safe glass surface and capacitive touch buttons make it hygienic and easy to clean. Smart Robot Cleaner. This automatic window cleaning robot with smart dust collection is designed for glass, windows, mirrors, tiles, marble, granite, and solar panels. With both the app and remote control, you can easily operate and schedule cleanings for your home. The brushless DC motor ensures quiet, long-lasting performance, while the embedded UPS prevents falls during power interruptions. You get 3 automatic cleaning programs, ultrasonic water spray for streak-free results, and a full set of cleaning pads. Kitchen Composter. This electric kitchen composter features a 4-liter stainless steel container with a compact rectangular design that fits neatly on your countertop. With high temperature drying, grinding, and cooling, it reduces food waste by up to 90% in about 6 hours, cutting disposal costs and minimizing your carbon footprint. The upgraded dual-activated carbon filters eliminate odors and insects, while the intuitive LED display and one-click operation make it easy for anyone to use. Food Dehydrator. This 5-tier food dehydrator with adjustable temperature control uses horizontal airflow and a base-mounted fan to distribute heat evenly for consistent drying. With 350 watts of power, it efficiently dries fruits, vegetables, herbs, and jerky on 5 BPA-free dishwasher-safe trays. The clear trays let you monitor progress without opening the unit. Compact and easy to use, it's perfect for making healthy snacks, drying flowers, or crafting pet treats. Touch Faucet. This kitchen faucet in Arctic stainless features a single-handle deck mount design with a high-arc gooseneck spout that swivels 360 degrees for full sink access. With a pull-down sprayer that magnetically docks to prevent drooping, it offers easy control via a lever handle or touch activation. The patented diamond seal technology ensures leak-free operation lasting twice as long as industry standards. Sparkling Water Maker. This sleek soda maker lets you enjoy sparkling water at home with 3 easy steps: fill, twist, and press. Designed with a stylish black stainless steel finish, it fits perfectly in your kitchen and adds a touch of elegance. Customize the carbonation level to suit your taste using cold water for the best bubbles. The BPA-free bottle keeps your drinks fresh and fizzy while helping you reduce single-use plastic waste. Oven Pro Plus Air Fryer. This 360 surround cooking oven uses powerful conduction, convection, and infrared technology to cook meals frozen without defrosting or preheating, saving you up to 50% cooking time and 85% energy compared to conventional ovens. Made with PFAS-free materials, it promotes healthier cooking by releasing excess fat drippings, resulting in tender, flavorful dishes. Intuitive controls let you adjust time and temperature on the fly, making it ideal for busy households looking for convenience and efficiency. Rolling storage cart. And this is a 4-tier slim storage cart with a flexible, space-saving design that fits perfectly in tight spots like kitchens, bathrooms, laundry rooms, or even between your washer and dryer. With easy gliding wheels and handy side hoops, you can move and access your items effortlessly and lock them in place when needed. Made from durable plastic and stainless steel, it's easy to assemble and built to last. Adjust it to 2 or 3 shelves for your countertop storage needs. Under-shelf basket. This expandable undershelf hanging basket features a hand-twist screw design for easy height adjustment to fit your cabinet thickness. No tools needed. Anti-slip pads prevent slipping, while the widened and thickened arms keep the basket stable and prevent tilting. With an adjustable height of up to 7 inches, it maximizes your storage space for larger items. Dispensing dish brush. This dish brush squirts soap with just a light push of a button, making your cleaning quick and easy. It features durable nylon bristles that effectively scrub away dirt, while the scraper on the backside easily removes baked-on food. Safe for non-stick cookware, the bristles and scraper won't damage your pans. Plus, the brush handle pops off at the bottom for easy soap refills, keeping your kitchen clean, efficient, and hassle-free. Automatic pot stirrer. This powerful automatic pot stirrer lets you leave your pots unattended without worrying about burning your food. You get hands-free, consistent stirring for stews, soups, sauces, porridge, and risotto, unlocking the best flavors every time. Its fully adjustable arms fit a wide range of pot sizes, so you can use it with your favorite cookware. BPA-free, cordless, and rechargeable, it offers 2 stirring speeds, making your cooking smarter and healthier. Hot dog toaster. This retro red hot dog toaster toasts 2 regular or extra plump hot dogs and buns simultaneously, making meal prep quick and easy. With adjustable toasting settings and a stop button, you can customize the doneness to your liking. The included mini tongs and hot dog cages keep your hands safe when removing food, while the slide-out drip tray simplifies cleanup. A convenient cord wrapped underneath the base keeps your countertop tidy. BBQ Grill Basket. This grill basket set is a must-have for your next BBQ. With removable beech wood handles, you get a comfortable, heat-resistant grip that makes grilling safe and easy. The clever nesting design lets you store and carry your baskets without taking up much space. Made from food-grade 304 stainless steel, these baskets are super durable and easy to clean. Whether you're grilling veggies, seafood, or meat, this set makes outdoor cooking a breeze. Pineapple corer slicer. This pineapple corer and slicer in silver and black features a sharp stainless steel blade that quickly cores and slices whole pineapples with ease. Its comfortable non-slip knobs allow continuous rotations without adjusting your grip, while measurement markings help prevent piercing the bottom of the shell. The parts are separate for easy cleaning, and they lay flat in drawers with a safety cap for secure storage. Perfect for effortlessly preparing fresh pineapple rings in minutes. Batter dispenser. This pancake mix dispenser is designed for every chef looking to revolutionize their breakfast routine. With a sleek, modern design and durable BPA-free construction, it dispenses batter for pancakes, waffles, cupcakes, and muffins with precision and mess-free ease. Featuring a drip-free, leak-proof design and clear measurement markings, it ensures perfectly shaped treats every time. Its compact size and easy-to-clean parts make it a stylish and practical addition to your kitchen. Deep fryer pot. This deep fryer pot is made of high-quality 304 stainless steel, ensuring durability and even heat distribution compatible with all cooktops, including induction, electric, and gas stoves. It features a built-in thermometer for precise temperature control, helping you achieve perfect frying results. The removable oil filter rack simplifies draining and cleaning, while the unique lid design prevents oil splashes and allows you to drain excess oil from fried food easily. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy these amazing kitchen gadgets, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more awesome finds.